Hi garden friends, welcome back to my garden updates. For those that don't know me, my name is Debbie. I garden in Zone 6A, southwest suburbs of Chicago. Today I'll update you on my 2 raised beds that I have in a nearby community. One of them I grew salad greens and scallions and some heads of different kinds of lettuces. I also grew peas and beans. Unfortunately, I was gone when those were harvested. I was on my vacation, so I didn't get to enjoy those too much. I had a couple when I got home. The other bed I had was my soup garden, and I had some celery, onions, kale, I have some Roma tomatoes and some herbs. Oh, and also some hot peppers as well. They both turned out very well. I kind of cleaned them up pretty much, as you'll see in the pictures that I'm going to be showing you. I took out most of the marigolds and the calendula. What's left of the one bed, I have, I believe, some cucumbers and a random spoon tomato that got in there, and I just left it. The other one, I still have Roma tomatoes. I have some peppers. I have a little bit more celery and some carrots, and that's about it. So we're kind of winding down the garden season. Here are some before and after pictures. My 2 raised beds in June, the harvest. So this was my soup garden, and I had kale, I had some peas, celery, onions, besides some calendula in there. I have carrots, I have cilantro, Roma tomatoes, some peppers, and I also have some herbs, oregano. I had some thyme in there, also some parsley and sage. In this bed was my salad greens, and I also had peas and this random tomato here that I just left. Lots of different kinds of different mixes, along with some salad greens here that were awesome. Some little heads of lettuce, different varieties, spinach, butterhead, arugula, and then we had some more mixes on this side that we started cutting. So I also wanted to show you what I found on my parsley and my cilantro, the black swallowtail caterpillars. So I brought these home and I put them in my veggie pot. All right, I'm at the farm garden and Sadie's with us. And so this garden is my soup vegetables. I have some celery left. Sorry about my shadow, I'm gonna have to go this way. So I have celery and some carrots. Roma tomatoes are here, and then I think I have a pepper, some sage, parsley, and I believe this is oregano. And then this one was my salad greens, so I'm going to be planting spinach over on this side. And I have some celery, lots of tomatoes, and the last of the lettuce for now. And then all that's left here I have are cucumbers and more small tomatoes. That is it for the raised bed garden in a nearby community. How were your gardens this year? If you want to leave a comment below and let us know your successes or something that you grew that did really well this year, please share that with the community. Next week I'm going to update you on my cut flower garden at the farm. I did do a short video and showed you my Lisianthus that are blooming like crazy. I've cut them twice in the last couple weeks. So those are blooming, and I do have some more coming. So I will show you probably in the next video what that looks like. I have my Floret Originals. When you have dahlias, if you don't cut them back, you're going to have a huge stalk, and it's not very good for cutting flowers. So what you want to do is cut that stalk off. I know it's hard to do, but you will be rewarded with side branches that will have multiple blooms. The Floret Originals did really well. I did put some mesh bags over them because I'm going to be taking the Floret How to Save Seeds, and I would like to save some seeds from those Floret Originals and try my hand at my own and see what those turn out like. I did start uncovering my pumpkins. I'm not sure if it's going to be too late. They were covered in some high grass weeds, so the sunlight really couldn't get to them, but I did get to maybe a quarter of the row, and I put water on it. So hopefully, I did see one pumpkin, but it was kind of rotten on the bottom. So I'm hoping that I'll get more out of once I uncover all those pumpkins. So make sure you're hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell for those future videos. Enjoy your week, everybody. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening. Bye-bye.